The history of pasta is rich, with centuries of evolution and adaptation in Italy and beyond, influencing how we enjoy pasta today. Let's explore both the history and some of the most popular pasta dishes enjoyed today. The history of pasta. As I mentioned earlier, pasta's history is a blend of ancient influences, with the most widely accepted belief being that pasta originated in the Mediterranean region. Ancient origins. Pasta-like dishes can be traced back to the ancient civilizations of the Mediterranean. The ancient Greeks had a dish called lagana, which was flat sheets of dough cut into strips. The Romans are also said to have eaten early forms of pasta, often referred to as lagane, similar to lasagna. Arab influence, 9th to 10th century. The Arabs played a significant role in the development of pasta, particularly in Sicily. They introduced the technique of drying noodles, which made them more portable and easier to store, helping spread pasta throughout Italy. Middle Ages, 12th to 14th century. Pasta began appearing more commonly in Italian cookbooks. The first written record of pasta in Italy comes from a 12th century cookbook in Sicily, where it was described as macaroni. Renaissance, 15th to 16th century. By this time, pasta had become more widespread throughout Italy. The concept of pasta varieties started emerging, and different regions began to develop their own unique shapes and styles. Industrial Revolution, 19th century. Pasta became even more accessible when pasta-making machines were invented. The mass production of pasta made it affordable for the average person, and pasta dishes began to take their modern forms, particularly with the introduction of tomatoes from the Americas. 20th century to today. With Italian immigration to the US in the late 1800s and early 1900s, pasta spread worldwide and became a global comfort food. Today, it remains a staple in various cuisines, with countless regional variations. Popular pasta dishes today: spaghetti bolognese, ragu alla bolognese. This dish is beloved worldwide, though in Italy it's traditionally served with tagliatelle rather than spaghetti. It's a meat-based sauce, typically beef, pork, and sometimes veal, simmered with tomatoes, wine, and herbs. The slow-cooked sauce is rich and hearty, often accompanied by grated parmesan. Carbonara, a Roman classic, spaghetti alla carbonara combines simple ingredients: eggs, pancetta or guanciale, Italian cured meats, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. The sauce is creamy, yet without any cream. The heat of the pasta helps create the creamy texture when combined with the egg. Lasagna. One of the most iconic pasta dishes, lasagna consists of wide, flat noodles layered with ragu, bechamel sauce, a white sauce made from butter, flour, and milk, cheese, often mozzarella and parmesan, and sometimes vegetables. It's baked to create a golden, comforting dish. Penne arrabbiata. Penne arrabbiata is a spicy, flavorful dish made with penne pasta, garlic, chili peppers, and tomato sauce. It's simple yet bold, with the heat coming from the fresh or dried chilies. Pesto alla Genovese. Originating from the Liguria region, pesto alla Genovese is a fragrant sauce made from fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and sometimes a touch of salt. It's typically served with pasta like trophy or trinette. Fettuccine Alfredo. Although fettuccine Alfredo is widely associated with Italian-American cuisine, it actually has roots in Rome. The dish is made by combining fettuccine pasta with a rich creamy sauce made from butter, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese. It's decadently smooth and comforting. Ravioli. Ravioli are stuffed pasta pockets, usually filled with ingredients like ricotta cheese, spinach, meat, or even seafood. They can be served in a variety of sauces, from butter and sage to tomato-based sauces. Mac and cheese. Macaroni al formaggio. While mac and cheese is more of an American dish, it has Italian roots in the form of macaroni al formaggio. This is pasta combined with a rich, cheesy sauce, usually made from bechamel and cheese, that is baked or served stovetop. Orecchiette with broccoli. Rabe, orecchiette con cime di rapa. A classic from Puglia, orecchiette con cime di rapa. Features: the unique ear-shaped pasta, orecchiette, paired with a bitter green called broccoli rabe, sautéed with garlic, anchovies, and red pepper flakes. It's a flavorful earthy dish. Gnocchi. While gnocchi are technically not pasta, they are often grouped with pasta dishes. These soft, pillowy dumplings are typically made from potatoes, flour, and eggs, and can be served with a variety of sauces, like tomato sauce, brown butter, or pesto.